Another important aspect for discipleship is that it should take place in every aspect of our lives. We aim to grow and become like the Master, Jesus. That is true for us as individuals, but also for us as a church, as a whole. The goal is to make disciples who follow Jesus in every aspect of life. Well, people exist of four elements. We are spiritual beings, we are emotional and social beings, we are rational, thinking beings, and we are, of course, physical beings, people of flesh and bone. Now, within the diamond of discipleship, we use these four as a framework. If we talk about holistic thinking and action, we're saying that all these different elements or dimensions should be in the mix. In case of discipleship, they all need to be in the mix of how we make disciples, how we help people grow into becoming more and more like Jesus. We aim to know Him, think like Him, act like Him, and also our physical bodies are submitted to Him. In the Bible, we see Jesus doing the same with His disciples. He helps them grow in all different areas. They grow spiritually, emotionally, and socially. They grow in their thinking and understanding and learn how to live out their life with flesh and blood. Think Luke 2, for example, where we find a statement of how Jesus Himself grows in all four areas. Or Mark 6, where we find Jesus teaching a large crowd, helping them understand God more, eating together. Jesus is truly holistic in His doing with people. When we think about discipleship in our churches, we should aim for a good balance between these different aspects or areas. We aim to follow Jesus in all of life, and so we should also be helped as to how to follow Jesus in every area. The reflective question is, do we help our people in all four of these areas, or is there an unbalance? What do we need to do to bring that balance? Are our programs and tools helping us to disciple people in a holistic way? It is also important to realize that we do need to have balance on every level or social space, the group of 100, the group of 10, and the one-on-one. Holistic disciple making should happen on every level, in every social space. In the book, I highlight several examples of how this can be done. I am convinced that this is a key to disciple better, more complete, and more effective. It is a valuable framework to help reframe and rework the Great Commission that Jesus gave us, that is, to make disciples.